1, 2, 3.
C&E Autobody open house today. I didn't realize that this place is so big. We're up near the Walpole area of Massachusetts, and it's like hidden off in this little like industrial park area. So, but when you go back in the back, it's like the place just keeps going and going and going. There's like tons of cars here, tons of desks. So they're obviously really busy. And they decided to open their doors today to let us do a little car meet, if you will. So everybody's come by. It's funny that the big group just pulled in. So we're gonna give you some coverage right now. It's gonna be pretty cool, and stay tuned.